Are you tired of feeling like you're invisible on campus, struggling to get your message out there and attract the attention you deserve? As someone who's likely passionate about education and connecting with students, I'm guessing you're no stranger to the frustration of trying to reach your audience. You've probably tried various marketing tactics, but somehow they just don't seem to be yielding the results you want. Your social media posts are getting lost in the noise. Your events are underattended, and you're left wondering what you're doing wrong. I want to ask you, what's the biggest challenge you're facing right now in terms of student marketing? So, let's get down to business. One of the most effective strategies for student marketing is leveraging social media. This isn't just about posting on Facebook or Instagram, though. It's about creating content that resonates with your audience, using the right hashtags, and engaging with students in a way that feels authentic and personal. For example, you could create a social media campaign that showcases student success stories or collaborate with influencers who have a strong following among your target audience. Another key strategy is personalized outreach. This means ditching the generic emails and messages that often feel like spam and instead taking the time to connect with students on a one-on-one basis. This could be as simple as responding to comments on social media or reaching out to students who have shown interest in your events or programs. By taking a more personalized approach, you can build trust and establish a sense of connection with your audience. Creating engaging content is also crucial. This could be in the form of blog posts, videos, or even podcasts. The key is to create content that feels relevant and valuable to your audience and that speaks to their interests and concerns. For instance, you could create a video series that explores topics related to your field of study or host a podcast that features interviews with students and experts. Lastly, consider the power of storytelling in your marketing efforts. By sharing stories of student success or highlighting the impact of your programs, you can create an emotional connection with your audience and inspire them to take action. Of all these strategies, I think the most impactful one is personalized outreach. There's something about taking the time to connect with students on a personal level that can really pay off in terms of engagement and enrollment. By showing students that you care about them as individuals, you can build a loyal following and create a sense of community around your brand. If you're watching this, chances are you're facing some kind of challenge when it comes to student marketing. So I want to hear from you. What's the biggest challenge you're facing right now? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's get the conversation started. One often overlooked strategy that can dramatically boost student engagement is gamification. By incorporating elements of game design into your marketing efforts, you can create a sense of fun and competition that motivates students to take action. This could be as simple as creating a rewards program or hosting a social media contest. In wrapping up, I want to summarize the key takeaways from today's video. We've covered the importance of leveraging social media, personalized outreach, engaging content creation, and gamification in your student marketing efforts. By incorporating these strategies into your approach, you can create a more engaging and effective marketing strategy that resonates with your audience. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and subscribe to my channel for more insights on student marketing and education. What's your favorite strategy from today's video? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're looking for more tips on how to boost engagement and enrollment, be sure to check out my upcoming videos.